The Hamilton Beach Mini Cordless Portable Personal Blender is designed for those who are constantly on the go. Whether you're headed to work, the gym, or on a weekend getaway, this compact blender promises to make blending shakes and smoothies effortless, no matter where life takes you. With its cordless, rechargeable feature, this blender brings convenience to the next level. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's find out. This mini blender stands out for its portability. At just 16 ounces, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around in a tote bag, backpack, or even your car. It features 6 stainless steel blades designed to tackle everything from protein powders to fruits and veggies, blending them into smooth, consistent results. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, which means you don't need to be tethered to a wall outlet. Simply charge it using the included USB cable, whether it's through your laptop, power bank, or car USB port, and you're ready to go. A key feature is its leak-proof, sip-through travel lid. After blending your shake or smoothie, you can simply cap the jar with the lid and drink directly from it. No need to pour it into another container, just sip and seal. The lid's design is both practical and effective at preventing spills, so you can blend and drink on the move without worrying about messes. So, how does it perform in real-world use? I've used this blender for a variety of tasks. The first time I took it to the gym, I mixed a protein shake with ease, just a scoop of powder, water, and a few ice cubes. And within seconds, I had a smooth, creamy shake. The 6 blades did a solid job, breaking down the powder and ice efficiently. It's not the most powerful blender you'll ever use, but for its size and purpose, it performs admirably. I also tested it for smoothies by blending frozen fruit. While the result was not quite as smooth as what you'd get from a full-size blender, it was still impressive considering the blender's size. The motor isn't as powerful as larger models, so don't expect it to handle tougher ingredients like leafy greens or frozen vegetables without a little extra help, e.g., adding a bit of water to the mix. However, for quick shakes and simple smoothies, this mini blender does the job. One of the things that stands out is its ease of use. Setting it up is straightforward. You just need to charge it, load the jar with your ingredients, and press the button to start blending. The charge lasts surprisingly long, up to 28 blends per full charge. This is great if you're someone who blends multiple times a day. It's perfect for a busy person who wants a quick shake after a workout or a smoothie before heading out. But no product is without its drawbacks. First, let's talk about the blender's build quality. While the jar is made from a shatterproof plastic, it does feel a little lighter and less premium than you might expect from a higher-end brand. This doesn't affect its performance, but it's worth noting if you're looking for something that feels a bit more robust. Also, while it does a decent job blending basic ingredients, it struggles with ice or very frozen ingredients without adding more liquid to the mix. So if you're someone who loves thick smoothies with frozen fruit or vegetables, you might find the blending power somewhat limiting. Another potential downside is the charging process. The blender uses a USB charging cable, but you'll need to supply your own charging block if you plan to charge it through an outlet. This isn't a huge issue, but it would have been more convenient if the charging block was included in the box. Now, let's talk value for money. The Hamilton Beach Mini Blender is priced affordably compared to similar portable blenders. It's not the most powerful or versatile blender out there, but for someone who needs a simple, portable option for protein shakes or smoothies, it's a solid choice. Competitors in this space, like the NutriBullet Geo, offer similar portability but at a slightly higher price point. The Hamilton Beach Blender's biggest advantage is its simplicity and ease of use. If that's all you need, this could be a perfect fit. In terms of build quality, I can't speak to long-term durability as I've only been using it for a few weeks. However, based on the materials used and its design, it should hold up well if handled properly. As with all portable blenders, just be mindful of the motor and blades. They're not meant for tough, hard ingredients like nuts or large chunks of ice. Customer support for Hamilton Beach has been generally positive, though I haven't personally needed to contact them. The brand is known for offering responsive service, so if you run into issues with your blender, it's likely you'll be taken care of quickly. So, who is this blender best suited for? If you're someone who travels a lot, goes to the gym regularly, or just needs a quick way to make shakes or smoothies without the hassle of setting up a traditional blender, this Hamilton Beach Mini Blender is a great option. It's portable, easy to use, and does the job for basic blending tasks. It's perfect for anyone looking for a blender that can handle protein shakes or a simple smoothie on the go. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Mini Cordless Blender offers good performance for its size and price. While it's not the most powerful blender on the market, it's a practical, affordable option for people who need a portable solution for blending. It excels in convenience and portability, but does have its limitations in terms of power and the ability to handle tougher ingredients. If you're looking for something small, convenient, and affordable for basic blending needs, this could be a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Hamilton Beach Mini Cordless Portable Personal Blender, drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more reviews and insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, keep blending and stay refreshed.